Hi YouTubers, it's Evan Exeter so to be entering Ramble right now. Interesting Ramble as of January 14th, 2020. I will discuss right now basically about food and about weight loss. So as most people know, I'm trying to lose weight. I'm on a diet and I'm trying to lose weight. My diet is basically just eat less crappy foods and basically just limit my portions and basically just reduce certain food intake. Foods that have a lot of calories and have a lot of sugars, like foods like soda, obviously, candy, fast food, that kind of stuff, processed food. But obviously, I'm not going to, eliminate soda entirely, even though a lot of people say I should eliminate soda entirely, because for the last damn time, I'm not interested in being like a ripped, muscly Hulk Hogan bodybuilder, so with luscious blonde hair and, whatever, so that kind of crap. So basically, my diet is just basically, eat less crappy foods and just basically eat less crap in general. But I want to talk about right now something important, something very important, which is, obviously I'm not going to cut out like soda entirely or like fast food entirely. I want to talk about, is it actually better for you if you're going to have like soda, for example, or like fatty foods, for example, to have actual real fatty foods or real soda? And by that I mean there is a very common misconception or very common popular belief that it's actually better for you to have like diet soda, like quote unquote diet soda, or like reduced fat butter or reduced fat mayonnaise, like fat-free mayonnaise, or like diet caffeine-free soda, or for example, like, low carb, this and that, that kind of crap, So basically I want to talk about that right now. So what I've heard regarding this about is it better for you to have like, for example, like the diet soda or like the reduced fat butter or like fat-free peanut butter, that kind of stuff, as opposed to the actual real soda, like the not the cane sugar. I'm not talking about that, but I'm talking about like is it better for you to have a diet soda versus a regular soda? And the answer is, in my opinion, my personal opinion, it's actually better for you if you're going on a diet, assuming you're not eliminating soda entirely. So assuming you're going to drink some soda on a diet with weight loss, it's actually, in my personal opinion, it's actually better for you to have the regular soda or the regular peanut butter or regular sugar. For example, in coffee, for example, or tea, it's actually better for you to have regular sugar, cane sugar, as opposed to like Splenda or like Equal or Sweet and Low, because, and this is the reason, because all those things like diet soda, diet caffeine-free soda, like Coke Zero, for example, like the reduced fat peanut butter, or like fat-free mayonnaise, or like low-calorie butter, they have or like margarine, they have a ton of artificial crap. So there's lots and lots of artificial crappy stuff in there. So that's the bottom line. Is yes, those things are low in not carbs, sorry about that, low in calories, sorry, but as a return, they have a lot of crappy artificial stuff in there, and as a result, that's kind of the thing, is like, yeah, there's no sugar, in diet soda, but as a result, there's aspartame and all kinds of crappy, artificial crap in there. So, now, there's one exception to this, or actually two exceptions, where you have to or you should do this. So, obviously, if you're a diabetic, then clearly you're going to have to drink diet soda, because if you're a diabetic, I mean, by no means I'm encouraging you to go ahead and drink a sugary, Mountain Dew soda, because, I mean, you could go into diabetic shock. So, but assuming you're not diabetic, and assuming you're not allergic, you don't have an allergy to like peanut butter, or like an allergy to like milk or lactose, then it's actually better for you, and this is what I'm doing on my personal diet, it's actually better for you to have the real peanut butter, the real cane sugar, or the regular soda, the regular Mountain Dew, or regular Dr. Pepper, as opposed to the diet or reduced fat or fat-free. So obviously you're diabetic, don't do that. Obviously you have a life-threatening allergy, you have severe lactose intolerance, don't do it. So you're in for a bad ride. So anyway, that's just my thought. Big ass girl for life, bye.